This is the Iris Beauty and Lace Butterfly Top. Another gorgeous flowy top. Think of that vacation you have coming up, or maybe you haven't planned it yet. This might inspire you to do so tonight. Clearance price $32.99. Clearance means no reorders. So you're going to want to snag this before we sell out, because when it's gone, it's gone. You're not going to see it again. $11 gets it home today on Easy Pay. Double extra small to 3X. Here is your living coral, vibrant pink.
That's actually the black. I'm sorry, that's
Excuse
actually
me.
the black.
Black. Yep, they are. Sorry, I was reading the card. Vibrant pink right here. Thank you, Angel.
Sorry.
And then on, no, you're fine. I'm reading the card, not looking at the order in my hands. And then on .com is going to be that periwinkle. That's so pretty. Ooh, Kelly green. Okay, I'm loving these color combos. Most limited there, 26.5 to 32.5 inches in length. Machine wash, tumble dry. This has you written all over it, Angel. Like I think of you in this traveling. Like this is it.
Yes, 100%. When we went to Mexico earlier last year, I brought this top with me, and Glenn's like, I have to take pictures of you in this. I'm like, yeah, babe, you have to take pictures of me in this, because it is one of those tops that just is so beautiful. Now it has a butterfly shape, but the print is of these beautiful irises. And I have to tell you that growing up, my mom had a garden in the front of our house, and she had these blue irises planted in the garden. And so every time I see this top, I think of her, you know, I hope she's watching down from heaven, right? And they're just so beautiful. And the coloration on this is stunning. There's no sparkle, but what we did differently here is we give you this lace necklace that goes from shoulder seam to shoulder seam and just around that beautiful V on the front. So while, you know, we had another butterfly top earlier in the show that has a round neckline, this one is different because it has the V neckline and it's accented with that beautiful color contrasting of the lace. I love this top.
It's fabulous. I love that it has a little bit of like a rounded hemline, like at the bottom. That's so, I don't know, this is really fun. Let's take a look. Don't mind me, guys. I've never tried this on before, so like in real time, I'm like, ooh, this is super cute. I love, by the way, I never try on anything in advance. I always like to be surprised. And then I mentally shop. But this is a steal. Like this is another one of those where you go, okay, you can roll it up and pack it easily. It's bright, it's fun. You know, with your shorts, maybe your denim skirt, if you have a pair of dream jeans that you love. It's just a great top. I love the flow of it. It's so silky against the skin. Very lightweight, not see-through. See-through. So wear it on its own, no problem. And then I just want you to see it's tacked down, which is really thoughtful. So you don't have to worry about what you're wearing underneath. You could wear your regular bra, and there's no like peekaboo, you're going to be on YouTube kind of moment happening. So, I mean, unless you want to be, you do you, but.
Exactly. But, you know, the colors are fun. If you're traveling, if you like to host people, like we have a pool. I'm very blessed. We have a beautiful pool and a beautiful backyard that my husband takes great pride in. I have a brown thumb, so I let him handle all of that. Because I kill most plants, most living things. So I've gotten better since I met him, but you know, I still let him handle all of that. And then maybe you just want to sit out on the deck when the weather turns and have a glass of wine with your girlfriends because you don't see each other enough. Because everybody hibernates in the winter.
It's true.
So you know, this is fun. Maybe you're going to have a luau, a theme party.
Ooh.
This would be something that's really fun.
Yeah.
I'm seeing this for, you know, Easter, for Mother's Day, for just Tuesday.
Why not a random Tuesday? Engagement parties. Like the list goes on and on and on. It's a really sophisticated top. This with like a white pair of dream jeans would be fabulous to really make the colors pop. And you can do a little half tuck too. I know we have to go, but you can do like a little half tuck with this too if you want. I mean, you can really play with how you wear it. This is the clearance price, $32.99. That's $25 off that $58 price. $11 gets it home on Easy Pay. Clearance means no reorders. Bye-bye. You're not going to see her again. So pick it up while we have it. Double extra small to 3X. I have on Living Coral. We have black. We have that vibrant pink, and then on .com is periwinkle and Kelly green. Ooh, really dynamic color combos. There's that .com. That's that Kelly green. So, so pretty. A 640088. All right, coming up in less than 10 minutes. Ooh, it's my